Hey, what's up, crypto y'all? Hope y'all are doing great. Wanted to do a quick market update. I feel like things are a little crazy here. It's September 11th, and they don't call it red timber for nothing. September is normally a very bearish month. Cyclically, if you just look back at the charts historically, forgive me, I'm under the weather, so I have to clear my throat. Anyway, um, just wanted to give a quick analysis of what's happening and just kind of how to pace yourself moving forward. So, what we're looking at right here is the Bitcoin chart. Also, want to look at the DXY, the US dollar index. Usually, when the dollar is rolling over and going downward, like it is the last few days, that means Bitcoin goes up. But that's not what we're getting right now. So you can see it's not a perfect correlation, nor will it ever be perfect. However, I find this to be bullish. Now, it's very possible that the DXY gathers some steam, but this blue line is the 200-day moving average. If it pierces that and then again continues downward and pierces the 50-day, the 50 is the blue line, the 200-day is the 200, the purple line is the 200-day. If we pierce through both of these in the next couple of weeks, which is very possible, then I think it's setting October up to be a very nice relief rally moving into this bull cycle and the halvening. And what I'm really looking at is kind of all bets are off until this is for altcoins, yield farming, trading bots, like whatever you're doing in the market. Bitcoin is king, and so liquidity is king, and Bitcoin dictates the liquidity in the market. And so what we're looking at is kind of nothing happens until we get above this 28,000 number. So until we get beyond that, it's kind of like the party is stalled. Now, does that mean you can't buy crypto right now? Absolutely not. Dollar cost averaging, accumulation, like we basically have 2 months left to accumulate. Then it's game on. I mean, maybe less. I mean, I'm basically saying that don't have a short-term view right now. If you're looking to have massive profit day to day, your expectations are going to be mismatched. The happiest and healthiest people are those whose expectations are consistently met. Right now, you need to just be thinking about market share, accumulation, building equity, and getting those assets in place. Again, if you need $10,000 next month to pay for a big expense or a big investment or something kind of money, don't put $10,000 into a small cap yield farm right now. However, if you have some dry gunpowder or you're investing even with your active money, don't panic, sell, don't exit. Just hang in there, accumulate, allow your assets to duplicate themselves. And then when liquidity enters back into the market, you'll be glad you were here. So just a reminder. And I wanted to also just say, like, American Express confirms its partnership with Ripple, announcing the use of XRP for payments. Like, this is significant news. I haven't verified this, but this is the kind of stuff that you'll continue to see pop up more and more. I don't know if this is verified, but this is the kind of news that when you see it in a bull market, things go up 40% in a day. It's crazy. There was one other item here. This is just some commentary that I agree with. September's historically pretty bad month for Bitcoin. October is historically very bullish, but maybe it's November that will bring the turnaround that we need according to our performance since the halving dates. To be precise, November 20th. They're really getting detailed here. The local tops have lined up well so far. And now what's scheduled for price is a long sideways period and possibly a little more downside. Both previous halving cycles launched at the exact same time. 2 more months of accumulation. That's it. And he's got this graphic here. So that's just basically explaining what he's analyzing, and basically the timing being November 20th. I don't know. I hate putting dates on stuff. I like to buy and sell around into areas rather than dates. They obviously are scrutinizing this. I don't think 2016 and 2019 are really similar cycles at all. 2015 definitely was. So I can kind of go with this 2016 emergence and the parallel, because we've been acting like the 2015 cycle this whole time. But I just wanted to put this in front of you. Like, more information you've got, the better off you are as an investor. And it's just stuff that we've got to know and be aware of as we go into the cycle. I'm super excited. This is fantastic time to be alive. It's a fantastic time to be just stocking away that treasure chest. So if you haven't seen my updated list of altcoins that I'm accumulating, and also the 5 sectors with the best possibility of 100xing this cycle, make sure you check those out in my previous videos in the weekly coaching call. And yeah, let me know if you need help, if this fires you up, or if you have questions. Talk soon.